Hello students, today we will discuss asexual mode of reproduction part 2. It includes budding in each cell and some special structures of asexual reproduction. Budding in each cell is a type of asexual mode of reproduction in which a fully grown each cell nucleus elongates and divides into two, and at the same time a outpocketing or outgrowth is formed, and the finally nucleus divides and one newly formed daughter nucleus pass to the outgrowth, which one is called bud, and the other remain inside the mother each cell body. And finally a fully grown bud detached from the mother's body and develop into a new each cell. Now come to the special asexual structures which are found in certain organisms like the algae, simple algae, Chlamydomonas, you may say zoospores are there, conidia, a fungus in which a spherical bodies develops which are called conidia, and birds in hydra, they are developed on the body of the mother, and gemmules are formed in the spongage. So as a whole, some special structures assist these organisms in their sexual reproduction. As a whole, what happens? What are the zoospores? The question is generally asked in 1 marks. These are microscopic motile structures, have flagella. Because they move in a fluid medium with the help of aquatic medium, with the help of flagella, and in this way they are motile. So the zoospores are generally microscopic motile bodies which helps in asexual reproduction of Chlamydomonas, unicellular algae. Now here the conidia is reported in penicillium. Around a spherical body is developed at the tip of their body or the hyphae, and finally the detached breaks away and after getting a suitable condition develop into new one, and these structures are called conidia, referred as conidia. The birds generally in the hydra, the aquatic first multicellular organism, here tissue grade of organization begins, that is called division of labor, and here near the just above their pedal region, or you may say at the junction of base of the body or pedal part of the body and gastrovascular junction, a outgrowth first develops. These outgrowths generally laterally appears on the body of the mother hydra. They take nourishment from the mother body and grows. Finally the tentacles develop at the distal part, and here the junction between the mother and the bud shrinks. Finally it detaches after fully growth and thereafter develops into an independent hydra in aquatic medium. Now the gemmules are generally formed in freshwater sponges. Marine sponges, except member of class Calcarea, do not form gemmules, but it is a very common in freshwater sponges. What happens when the ponds or the water bodies are drying in summer season? At that time, 3 types of cells come together in the mesohyl, in between the body wall, pinacoderm and choanoderm, in between there the mesohyl is there, and in that mesohyl, the three types of cells. A scleroblast, this forms a spicules to strengthen the double wall structure, and archaeocytes, the totipotic cells in nature, and the nutrition providing cells are there here, and as a whole the spicule forming and food forming cells finally disappear, and only the gemule is aggregate of assembly of accumulation of archaeocytes, and this settles on the body of the sponge, disintegrate, and it settles on the body of bottom of the pond, and finally when the spring season return, the hatching of gemules occurs and large number of sponges are formed. Thank you for part 2.